Hi and welcome to Trap Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business.
You'll see our global effort is making strides. And with third quarter projections, we'll
Blah, blah, blah. I just want to check into my hotel.
On page 104,
I hope I get a king-size bed. I hope I can get a drink.
Get a massage.
Watch a funny movie.
Or go for a swim.
Snacks.
Scented candles.
Zombie movie. Minibar.
start
Don't just hope. Know what you're really booking when you book. AccorHotels.com.
News this week. Tourism Minister launches the Visit Kerala Initiative 2015.
I think Kerala has got a lot of potential for this tourism. It has got beautiful weather, the backwaters and the hospitality, everything. What is required for a tourism industry, the cleanliness, the security part and the hospitality. Kerala has all of them.
This is a very good initiative, Season of Surprises, Visit Kerala year 2015, and they'll be celebrating it for 1 year. It's a very nice way of packaging the artistic, cultural, natural and historical heritage of Kerala, and this will become, in a way, role model for other states to follow.
Part of this campaign, our Kerala Tourism giving some packages to tourists, some attractive packages. Some airlines, we discussed with some airlines management, they are giving to ready some discount tickets.
The Great Indian Travel Bazaar opens in Jaipur on April 19th. Munich launches a new tourism logo. Travel Tag Covermore plans to launch its global SIM in India.
It's a SIM card which you can roam anywhere in the world. The call charges are extremely low compared to what you would pay to your telecom provider here in India. And it's very easy to use and the number stays with you for life. So it's like a permanent number.
Hyatt Hotels and Resorts organizes a Mice and Leisure Roadshow. The Ministry of Tourism holds a meeting with states and union territories for formulating the new national tourism policy.
The chief secretaries and representatives from UTs and all the states have gathered together for a 2 days conference to have deliberations and discussions on the issues related to tourism. Very positive inputs we have received from all the partners and stakeholders.
Bahrain government says that maximum e-visas are issued to Indian tourists. Air India launches codeshare with Adria Airways.
Travel to Slovenia from India and vice versa from Slovenia to India is going to be faster and cheaper. So Air India is going to operate the flights from India to Frankfurt in Germany, and our airline from Germany to Ljubljana.
This is definitely a great opportunity for us to expand our business in Europe with our partner Adria, because in my view there is a great potential, in particular about the tourism between Slovenia and India.
This agreement gives a good opportunity for all the passengers from India to Slovenia or from Slovenia to India to travel between both countries cheaper, easier, faster. There's a great schedule time, a great connectivity in Frankfurt, which is a transfer city.
Lama Tours held a 4-city roadshow in India.
This is our annual roadshow and 13th year that we've been coming to India. The roadshow is basically focusing on outbound business out of India to the UAE, and we've got about 20 co-participants with us who are representing various kinds of products from the UAE.
Roadshows are an important platform for communication between the Indian travel trade and the principals, such as in this particular case it is the Lama Roadshow, along with the hoteliers from Dubai. So it creates a platform for networking, creates a platform for exchange of ideas, concepts. New packages can even emanate into the Indian market as a result of such an initiative.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Draft Talk TV, and do stay connected for more.